This week on the webinar, we covered the New York State budget that was just passed a few days ago and some of the items that are of interest to employers, specifically a new mandate where employers must provide 20 hours of prenatal leave for employees to attend prenatal appointments. Another requirement that employees provide 30 minutes of paid break time for mothers who have a need to express breast milk in the workplace. And then finally, and certainly not least, the end of the COVID paid sick leave requirement, which under the new state budget will expire July 31st, 2025. That's right, I said 2025, not 24. That was a surprise in the final budget that it got pushed out another year. So we went into a little bit of depth on those three topics. And following that presentation, Roger Bearden talked about New York State budget impacts on human service providers. Stephanie Fedorka talked about the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act and some regulations that were recently released by the EEOC. And finally, we had Andrew Delzato, who talked about a recent case that held that the New York State human rights law and New York City human rights law does apply to applicants from out of state. So that was the webinar for today. Hope you decide to tune in and take a listen. If you have any questions, follow up with any of the presenters. Thank you.